Chapter 10. Add our points. From Mathematics textbook for Class 2, titled Math Magic. Page 76. Toss the ball.
Animals of the forest are playing. Turn by turn, they toss the ball on their bats until it falls. Each player gets 2 turns. And Bunnu Rabbit adds their points. But do you know how he adds?
Picture 1 shows conversation between Tortoise, who is tossing the ball with bat, and Bunnu Rabbit, who is holding a paper and pen. Bunnu is saying to the tortoise, "You tossed the ball 14 times. Tortoise replied, "I have one more turn." And he started to toss the ball. Bunnu observes and says, "Only 7 tosses this time." Picture 2 shows a snake surrounding the page. His back is divided into small squares and numbers from 1 to 63 written in the squares.
Bunnu adds on the snake. To add 14 and 7, Bunnu stands on 14. He jumps 7 steps forward. He reaches 21. You can also add points on the snake.
Page 77. The game Toss the Ball continues. There are 2 pictures on this page and an activity, Guess and Tell. Let's begin reading this page.
Picture 1 shows 6 animals. Fox, monkey, lion, tortoise, elephant, and bear. Each one holds a board with their scores in the game of Toss the Ball. Fox tossed the ball 16 times in first turn and 7 times in second turn. The total points scored by him would be 16 plus 7 is equal to dash.
Monkey tossed the ball 18 times in first turn and 10 times in second turn. The total points scored by him would be 18 plus 10 is equal to dash.
Lion tossed the ball 19 times in first turn and 15 times in second turn. The total points scored by him would be 19 plus 15 is equal to dash.
Tortoise tosses the ball 14 times in first turn and 7 times in second turn. The total points scored by him would be 14 plus 7 is equal to dash.
Elephant tosses the ball 49 times in first turn and 13 times in second turn. The total points scored by him would be 49 plus 13 is equal to dash.
Bear tosses the ball 33 times in first turn and 11 times in second turn. The total points scored by him would be 33 plus 11 is equal to dash.
Question 1. Who won the game? Dash.
Question 2. Who lost the game? Dash.
The winner got bananas from Bunnu.
Activity. Guess and tell. Prabha is going to her grandmother's house by boat. Who lives in the next village. She wants to take 15 kg sugarcane, 7 kg apples and 8 kg tomatoes. She has to cross a river. In the boat she can take 25 kg weight. Can she carry all the things?
Picture 2 shows Prabha sitting in a boat. The boat is in the river. One bank of the river has few huts, and the other bank has coconut trees. Few baskets filled with apples are kept near the trees.
Page 78. This page is related to the game Toss the Ball.
The picture shows tiger, giraffe, deer, chimp, and kangaroo carrying their scorecards. Bunnu the rabbit is holding a white board on which something is written.
This time the kangaroo, chimp, deer, giraffe, and tiger came to play. But the tiger lost the game. He rubbed off some points in anger. Question 1. Write the missing points. Question 2. Find who is the winner this time.
Now, let's read the scorecard of the players. Scorecard of tiger, (16) plus dash is equal to 21.
Scorecard of giraffe. Dash plus 8 is equal to 32.
Scorecard of deer, 16 plus 13 is equal to dash.
Scorecard of chimp. Dash plus 5 is equal to 35.
Scorecard of kangaroo, 23 plus dash is equal to 30.
Page 79. Heads and tails. This page shows a picture of both sides of one rupee coin. The word heads is written below the lion emblem face picture of the coin. And the word tails is written below the number face picture of the coin.
Question 1. Have you seen the two sides of a rupee coin? Question 2. Which side has 1 written on it? Heads or tails?
In picture 2, two children, Samina and Sadiq, are sitting near a game board and playing with a coin. Samina is tossing the coin. The game board has numbers from 1 to 99 written on the small squares. The start is written near number 1 and home is written in the square after 99. Two buttons. One red and another yellow is placed near start. Let's begin reading the text for this picture.
Samina and Sadiq are playing. The board has numbers from 1 to 99. Each player has a button. They toss a coin. If it is heads, the button moves 10 steps. So, if Samina is on 6, she moves to 16. If she gets tails, she moves only 1 step. Now, you also play this game. The one who reaches home first wins the game. Is there a shortcut for 10 steps?
Page 80. 2 at a time. This page is divided into 2 parts. Each part has picture and some text.
Picture 1 shows 2 children, Chintu and Mintu, carrying 1 bag each and going for shopping. There are pictures of 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees notes, and 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees coin. The text for this picture is
Chintu and Mintu went shopping. They bought some things. To pay, they used notes and coins. But only 2 at a time.
Picture 2 shows 5 items. With their price tags and blank space for writing answers. The text for this picture is
Out of these, which two can they use to buy these things? They can use the same note or coin more than one time. Item 1. Cricket bat. Price tag is rupees 20. Rupees 10 plus rupees 10 is written in the space for answer. This is solved as example.
Item 2. Book. Price tag is rupees 10.
Item 3. Football. Price tag is rupees 40.
Item 4. Shirt. Price tag is rupees 60.
Item 5. Doll. Price tag is rupees 25.
Question. How can they use notes and coins given in picture 1 to buy book, football, shirt and doll? They can use the same note or coin more than one time. But only 2 at a time.
Page 81. How fast can you add? This page presents a conversation between a boy Velu and his Akka, the elder sister. The conversation is in comic mode, that is, picture and speech. There are 5 pictures, and each picture has some speech bubbles. After the comic, there are some questions for you to solve. Let's begin reading this page from picture 1.
Picture 1 shows a question. 7 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to question mark written on a blackboard. Velu and his Akka are standing near the board.
Akka asked Velu,
"What are you doing?" Velu responded,
Akka, please help me add.
Picture 2 shows Akka responding happily. "Oh, you can add these without writing."
Picture 3 shows Akka explaining the procedure to add. She says,
Start from 7 and count 5 more to make 12. Then Add 3 more, you get 15.
In picture 4, Velu is responding with a smile. I can also add 7 and 3 first to get 10. And then add 5. Picture 5 shows Velu thinking. And the question 7 plus 5 plus 3 written. A line is joining 7 and 3. And then we have the text, or 10 plus 5 is equal to 15, written below the question.
Do these. Question 1. 5 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to dash.
Question 2. 6 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to dash.
Question 3. 9 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to dash.
Question 4. 7 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to dash.
Question 5. 8 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to dash.
Footnote. Let children do these sums by adding mentally. If some are not yet able to do so, encourage them to use the snake or the 100 chart. They can also be helped to find different combinations in order to add fast.
Page 82. Killer lizard. Picture on this page shows 9 holes arranged in 3 lines. Upper line, middle line and bottom line. Each hole is connected to its neighbors through a line. And each hole has a number written on it.
The upper line has these numbers: 5, 9, 0. The middle line has these numbers: 3, 8, 1. The bottom line has these numbers: 6, dash and 2 on the 9 holes.
A lizard is sitting at the middle hole in the bottom line, which has no number written on it. Numbers written on the holes tell us how many insects are hiding in the hole.
So the 3 holes of the upper line have these many insects hidden.